Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I hope all of you are happy and healthy in your homes. Students, please stay in your homes. Don't step out without any reason and secure yourself in your homes. Students, today I'm going to continue with lesson 6 of Wordsworth English Reader book, A Young Girl and a Diary. Lesson 6, A Young Girl and a Diary. Children, this lesson is about Annie Frank, a 13-year-old girl who stayed in Germany with her family. But when the Nazis of Germany, they considered the Jews inferior to them. So the Nazis wanted to destroy the Jews and their Jewish culture. So Annie Frank had to hide along with 7 other people in a small room at the back of her house to save herself from the Nazis. And during that lockdown period of Annie Frank, she couldn't meet her friends. She didn't have any internet. She didn't have any television. It's about long back. So, what she did, she made a diary, her best friend, and she wrote all her feelings and thoughts in that diary. And this lesson is about Annie Frank and what she wrote in her diary. Students, first I'll read the lesson to you and then I'll start explaining. A young girl and her diary. And students, it will be easier for us to understand the feeling of Annie Frank because we are also facing lockdown due to coronavirus. So we are also staying in our homes, but at least we can roam around in the house. We are not confined to the four walls of a room. But just imagine a 13-year-old girl who was confined within the four walls of a small room and she was staying along with 7 other people. She couldn't move out, she couldn't open the windows. So just imagine how difficult life was for her. So now I'll read the lesson. Lesson 6, A Young Girl and a Diary. During the World War II in Europe, the Nazis of Germany considered the Jews as inferior to them. They wanted to destroy the Jewish people and their culture. As a result, they started sending the Jews to prison camps. Annie Frank was also a Jew. To save herself and her family, Annie Frank, along with her mother Edith, father Otto, and sister Margot, went into hiding in the backroom office and warehouse of Annie's father's business. 4 other Jews also hid with them in the small space, and their non Jewish friends smuggled food and other supplies to them. Annie Frank was born on 12th June 1929. She began to keep a diary on her 13th birthday, 12th June 1942. 3 weeks later, they went into hiding. Annie's family never left their hideout until, unfortunately, the Nazi police discovered them in August 1944. They were then moved to the concentration camp where Annie's mother died in 1945. Soon after, Annie and her sister also died of an infectious disease. Their father was the only family member who had survived. When friend found Annie's diary in a hiding place, they gave it to her father, who got it published in 1947. Annie, who missed the company of her friends, had maintained a diary. Ultimately, the closest friend she had during her tragically short life was her diary. She addressed it as Kitty. It was only to Kitty that she entrusted her innermost thoughts. Annie's thoughts of courage and hope are recorded in her diary. They have inspired millions of readers throughout the world. Here are some excerpts from her diary. When I write, I can shake off all my cares. April 5, 1944. Describing her despair. I have reached the point where I hardly care whether I live or die. The world will keep on turning without me, and I cannot do anything to change events anyway. I will just let matters take their course and concentrate on studying and hope that everything will be all right in the end. February 3rd, 1944. On her old country, Germany. Fine specimens of humanity. Those Germans, and to think I'm actually one of them. No, that's not true. Hitler took away a nationality long ago. And besides, there are no greater enemies on earth than the Germans and the Jews. October 9, 1942. On still believing, it's a wonder I haven't abandoned all my ideals. They seem so absurd and impractical, yet I cling to them because I still believe, in spite of everything, that people are truly good at heart. It's utterly impossible for me to build my life on a foundation of chaos, suffering, and death. I see the world being slowly transformed into a wilderness. I hear the approaching thunder that one day will destroy us too. I feel the suffering of millions, and yet, when I look up at the sky, I somehow feel that everything will change for the better, that this cruelty too shall end, that peace and tranquility will return once more. July 15, 1944. Students, this lesson has been taken from the book known as Annie Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. And this book has been published, children, in more than 60 languages all over the world. And it is a powerful reminder. It reminds everybody what are the ill effects of war. If the nations, they go into war, it ultimately, the people have to suffer. And millions people have to suffer and undergo a lot of suffering. They lose their life, loss of property, loss of life, and everywhere destruction around. So, Annie Frank's diary, when the book was published, it inspired and motivated millions of people throughout the world. So, children, now first of all, I'll explain the word meanings. Children, the first word, new word in the lesson is Nazis. Nazis, beta, they were the people of Germany and they were the members of National Socialist German Workers' Party. And Hitler, Adolf Hitler, was known to be the leader of the Nazis. Then, children, the second new word is Jews. And Jews, they were members of the community whose traditional religion is Judaism and who trace their origin to the ancient Hebrew people of Israel. The third new word, children, is inferior. And inferior, lower in rank or status. Lower in rank or status. Like the Nazis, they considered the Jews inferior to them. So they wanted to destroy the Jew and the Jewish culture. Children, the fourth word is destroy, and destroy means ruin or kill. ruin or kill. Now, children, the fifth word is warehouse. Warehouse means storeroom, where people store goods. They dump goods. Then, children, the sixth word is smuggled, and smuggled means transferred something somewhere illegally. That means giving things or taking things somewhere illegally without the knowledge of the law. Then the seventh word is supplies, and supplies means items of necessity. For example, during lockdown period, the government had orders that supplies will continue. The item of necessity will be available either through home delivery or shops will open so that we can get vegetables, milk, grocery, things which we require for our survival, things of our daily use. Then, children, the eighth word is children is hideout, and hideout means hiding place where you hide. That is your hideout. Hideout, hiding place. Then the ninth word is concentration camp. Concentration camp, a place where political prisoners are held. बेटा वो जगह जहाँ पे political prisoners को रखा जाता है, तो that is known as concentration camp. Concentration camp मतलब बेटा बहुत कम जगह में बहुत सारे लोगों को वहाँ पे रखा जाता है. Literally people are squeezed in the concentration camps, like small space and lot of people staying in that small place. So those places where political prisoners are held, and prisons cannot accommodate lots of people, so camps are made, and where the government don't take care of their needs, and they live in a very unhygienic, those prisoners, they live in a very unhygienic condition. They are not at all comfortable. That is the reason Annie Frank's mother passed away, Annie Frank and her sister passed away, because beta साफ सफाई नहीं है, खाने पीने को नहीं है, nobody is taking care of you, diseases spread हो रही है, people मतलब are not treated in a human way. So such places are known as concentration camp. And the main aim was of the Nazis was to destroy the Jews. So they caught hold of the Jews and put them in concentration camp so that they couldn't move out of that area. And ultimately, after some time, it was very difficult to survive in that unhygienic and inhuman conditions. Then, children, the 10th word is published. Published means printed as a book. Like Annie Frank's diary was published as a book. So people came to know about her thoughts, and her thoughts inspired lots and lots of millions of people. Children, then the 11th word is tragically. Tragically means causing great unhappiness. हाँ, जिससे आपको बहुत दुख हो, that is tragic. So tragically. Then the 12th word is addressed, and address means to call. Like you are addressed by your name. If the teacher addresses in your class, your friend addresses in your class, they address you by your name. You have a name and people know you and they call you by your name. So calling out is known as addressing you. Then children, the 13th word is entrusted. Entrusted means confined. Somebody whom you can trust blindly. जिस पे आप पूरी तरह से विश्वास कर सको, आप अपने secret check कर सको, thinking that that person will not let out your secrets. So entrusted, confided. Then children, the 14th word is excerpts. Excerpts means short paths. Excerpts means short paths. Then the 15th word is despair, and despair means hopelessness, when there is no hope left. Now one feels कि चलो सब कुछ तो खत्म हो गया, अब कुछ नहीं बचा है. When there is no hope left, that is known as despair, or hopelessness. Now, children, the 16th word is specimens, and specimens means examples. Specimens mean examples or samples. Specimens, examples. Then the 17th word is humanity. Humanity, mankind. Humanity, mankind. The 18th word is abundant. Abundant means left, छोड़ देना. Abundant, left, छोड़ देना. I'll give an example of abundant children. Now, if you see a bird making a nest, and if you touch that nest, that bird will abandon that nest. She will never come back to the nest if she gets the feel that humans have touched the nest. So that is abundant. Abundant matlab chhod dena. So abundant, left. Children, then the 19th word is ideal. Ideals means principles. We all live on certain ideals. We follow those ideals, isn't it? And ideals means principles. Ideals means principles. Then the 20th word is absurd. Absurd means ridiculous. Ridiculous, absurd, ridiculous. Not having any reason or logic. Then the 21st word children is cling. Cling means hold on. किसी भी चीज को पकड़े रहना, उसको पकड़े रहना, that is cling means hold on. Then the 22nd word is foundation. Foundation means base, जिसको हम नींव बोलते हैं, है ना? Like whenever you start constructing a house, you ensure that the foundation should be strong, है ना? So whenever a child starts learning, he starts going to school. So we always start with the basics. Why? Because we think that the foundation of knowledge should be strong. So foundation means the base from where things start building up. Then the 23rd word is chaos, and chaos means turmoil, confusion. Where मतलब कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा, एकदम टोटल टर्मोइल एंड कंफ्यूजन कि मतलब you don't know how to handle the situation, मतलब it is just out of control, and that is known as chaos. Now the 24th word is wilderness, and wilderness means wasteland. Wilderness, wasteland. And the 25th word is tranquility. Tranquility means calm and serenity, जहां आपको बहुत सुकून और शांति मिले, and that is known as tranquility. So these were the new words. Now I explain the lesson to you. During the World War II in Europe, the Nazis of the Germany considered the Jews as inferior to them. They wanted to destroy the Jewish people and their culture, and as a result, they started sending the Jews to prison camps. अब बेटा what happened when the World War II was going on? जो नाजीज थे जर्मनी के, एंड अडोल्फ हिटलर इनका लीडर था, वो लोग ज्यूस को अपने से इंफीरियर समझते थे, अपने से कि मतलब वो सोचते थे कि नाजीज इनसे ऊपर है, इनसे सुपीरियर है, और ज्यूस जो है उनसे इंफीरियर है. सो they wanted to destroy the Jewish people. They wanted to kill the Jewish people and destroy their culture, कि कोई भी Jews का trace sign नहीं बचे. So what they used to do, जहाँ भी उनको Jews मिल रहे थे, वो वहाँ पे उनको पकड़ के उनको concentration camps में डाल दे रहे थे. And concentration camps में बेटा the condition was extremely bad. वहाँ पे इंसानों को animals से भी बुरा treatment होता था. They were not given proper food. मतलब कुछ भी उनको basic necessities नहीं दी जाती थी. They were not, मतलब we also treat animals, हम तो animals को भी बेटा अच्छे से रखते हैं, but concentration camps में, I'm talking about way back in 1942, the condition was very unhygienic and inhuman, that people were dying. वहाँ पे जो Jews थे वो वहाँ they were dying, and this was the main aim of Nazis, to destroy the Jew and the Jewish culture. So Anne Frank, who was also a Jew, and she along with her family members, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, she and a family member had to go into a hideout. So Annie Frank was also a Jew. To save herself and her family, Annie, along with her mother, Edith, father Otto, and sister Margot, went into hiding in the backroom office and warehouse of Annie's father's business. Four other Jews also hid with them in the small space, and their non-Jewish friends smuggled food and other supplies to them. अब बेटा, now what happened? The World War II के time पे, during World War II, when the Nazis started attacking the Jews and they caught hold of the Jews, either they killed them or they sent them in the concentration camp. So Annie Frank, because she was a Jew, they were scared of the Nazis, as the Nazis were in majority in Germany that time. So she, along with her family, had to go in a hiding place, and the hiding place was her father's warehouse office. And that was somewhere at the back of the house, a small room where Annie Frank was hiding with her father, Otto, mother, Edith, and sister Margaret, and along with them, four other Jews were also staying. And they were hiding from the Nazis of the Germany to save their life. And some non-Jewish friends, that means कि उनके कुछ non-Jewish friends who could be the Nazis also, but who were not supporting, and who could be the other people also, जो भी उनके non-Jewish friends थे, वो उनकी मदद कर रहे थे, उनको फूड और बेसिक चीजें जो भी उनको सर्वाइवल के जरूरी थी, they were supplying those things to Annie Frank and a family along with the four people, so that they could stay alive. And that supply was done hiding from the Nazis. बेटा, छुपा के उनको सप्लाई की जा रहे थे खाने पीने की, मे बी टॉयलेट का सामान हो, खाने पीने का, सो दैट दे आर अलाइव. जस्ट इमेजिन कि एक छोटे से रूम में आप 7 और पीपल के संग, एटलीस्ट अभी लॉकडाउन में वी आर in our houses, at least we can come till the gate. Just imagine they were in a room where they couldn't step out of it, they couldn't breathe fresh air. So Annie Frank was born on 12 June 1929. Beta, when was Annie Frank born? On 12 June 1929. She began to keep a diary on her 13th birthday. Beta, when her 13th birthday came, from that day onwards, she started maintaining a diary. Annie ने एक डायरी बनानी स्टार्ट की. एंड चिल्ड्रन, जनरली डायरी व्हेन डू वी राइट? जब हमारा पूरा दिन स्पेंड हो जाता है, तो एट नाइट टाइम, जस्ट बिफोर वी स्लीप, वी पुट एंड राइट ऑल आवर थॉट्स इन द डायरी. और डायरी में वो सारी बातें जो हमारे मन में जितनी भी फीलिंग्स है, इमोशंस हैं, विच वी कैन नॉट शेयर विद एनीवन. हमारे कुछ सीक्रेट्स होते हैं, हमारी कुछ फीलिंग्स होती हैं. सो डायरी इज मेंटेन टू राइट योर thoughts and feelings, and diary is a thing which is very, very personal, children. Nobody else can read it without your permission. So she started keeping a diary on her 13th birthday. That was 12 June 1942. And 3 weeks later they went into hiding. और बेटा, बर्थडे के exactly 3 weeks के बाद ये Nazis started capturing the Jews and started sending them to the concentration camp. So Annie, along with her family, had to go into that hiding room. Annie's family never left their hideout until, unfortunately, the Nazi police discovered them in August 1944. Just imagine, beta, for almost more than 2 years, they stayed in a small room. और उन more than 2 years में उन्होंने कभी भी अपना वो room नहीं छोड़ा, because they wanted to be safe from the Nazis. But somehow, unfortunately, due to bad luck, the Nazi police discovered them in August 1944. June 1942 में वो लोग गए थे हाइडिंग में, एंड अगस्त 1944 में, ऑलमोस्ट 2 years 2 months में उनको नाजी पुलिस ने उनको डिस्कवर कर लिया कि एक some Jews are hiding in a small room. So they were then moved to the concentration camp where Annie's mother died in 1945. Soon after, Annie and her sister also died of an infectious disease. Now what happened when the Nazi police they discovered them? Nazi police ने जब उनको पता चल गया कि some Jews are hiding, so the Nazi police they caught hold of them and send them to the concentration camp. उनको भी Annie along with जितने भी जो लोग 8 people थे उन सबको उन्होंने concentration camp में भेज दिया. Where I told you concentration camp की conditions were extremely bad. They were not treated properly, and after some time Annie's mother died, and in concentration camp disease फैली हुई थी, गंदगी थी, खाने का इंतजाम नहीं था, people were treated like animals. So Annie's mother passed away in 1945. मतलब within 1 year Annie's mother died in the concentration camp. Soon afterwards, Annie and her sister also died of an infectious disease. Just imagine, 13 years ki thi Annie friend when she started maintaining a diary, and after 2 years she passed away. And did she passed away happily? No, it was a tragic death. She had to undergo a lot of suffering between the age of 13 years to 15 years. First 2 years she was hiding in a small room along with her family and other 4 members. After that, when she was moved to the concentration camp, there first she lost her mother, and then after some time her sister, and she also died. So she died a tragic death, and they died because of an infectious disease. क्योंकि कैंप्स में बेटा बहुत इनह्यूमन कंडीशंस थी, बीमारियां फैली हुई थी, तो एनी और उसकी सिस्टर की डेथ भी इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज के कारण हुई. Their father was the only family member who had survived. And beta, पूरी family में खाली एक family member was alive, and that was Annie's father, Otto. Annie's father's name was Otto, and he was the only member of Annie's family who had survived. When friends found Annie's diary in a hiding place, they gave it to her father, who got it published in 1947. अब बेटा after that वर्ल्ड वॉर जब खत्म हुआ होगा तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप से इन प्रिजनर्स को रिलीज किया होगा. सो थिंग्स मस्ट हैव बीन नॉर्मल. तो हु वाज द ओनली सर्वाइविंग मेंबर ऑफ एनीज फैमिली? हर फादर ऑटो, है ना. सो जब एनी के फ्रेंड्स आए होंगे, दे स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग फॉर थिंग्स. तो इन दैट स्मॉल रूम दे फाउंड एनीज डायरी, एंड एनीज फ्रेंड gave the diary to her father, because father was the only family member who had survived. So Annie's friend, when they discovered the diary, they gave the diary to her father. And what did her father do? He gave the diary for publishing, and in 1947 the diary was published. Any friend, whatever she wrote was published in 1947. Friend found it in Annie's room, and then they gave it to her father, who got it published in 1947, who got Annie's diary published in 1947. So we need to remember certain dates. Annie Frank was born on 12th June 1929. When was Annie born? Annie Frank was born on 12th June 1929. And when did she celebrate her 13th birthday? Birthday we always celebrate on the same day, children, the day which we are born. So 12th June, the day is same, but the year changes. If you add 13 to 29, you'll get 42. So she celebrated her 13th birthday on 12th June 1942. And after 3 weeks, they went into the hiding place, and then in 1944, the Nazi police discovered them, and from there they were moved to the concentration camp, where Annie's mother passed away in 1945, and soon after Annie and her sister also passed away. And after 2 years of their death, Annie's father got the diary, Annie's diary, from her friends, who found it in the room where Annie was hiding. And then her father got the diary published in which year, children? 1947. So father got the diary published in 1947. Now, the next paragraph. Annie, who missed the company of her friends, Annie, who missed the company of her friends, had maintained a diary. Now, children, this is one thing to be noted. Why did Annie maintain a diary? Because she missed the company of her friends. She couldn't play with her friends. She couldn't talk to her friends because that time there were no telephones, no internet connection. So how do people connect? Long back in 1942. So to express her feelings, to reveal her thoughts, she started maintaining a diary. Who was her best friends? Generally, we share our feelings, thoughts, whatever we have, our secrets. हम सब किससे शेयर करते हैं बेटा? अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड से शेयर करते हैं. And sharing and caring really makes us happy, isn't it? But Annie couldn't meet her friends. She couldn't talk to her friends. So she started maintaining a diary कि उस डायरी में उसको जितने भी थॉट्स फीलिंग्स इमोशंस है वो सब कुछ उस डायरी में लिख सकती थी. तो डायरी वाज लाइक हर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. So children, that's all for today. Next, I'll be continuing in my next video.